KD, aka Handyman, aka Dr. Mike, aka Clay Davis, coming to you live, Atlanta, Georgia, and it is snowing like crazy. It's a winter wonderland, as they call it. We're not used to doing anything, going through anything like this. Like I said, I'm glad I went out earlier and got my snow survival kit, which is 2 cases of Bud Light, a bottle of Winking Hour wine, and a bag of skins. That's right, 2 cases. This shit might be on the ground for about 24 hours, so I had to get a couple of cases. You never know. Don't want to run out of that good stuff, you know? 2 cases of Bud Light, a bag of skins, and some Winking Hour wine for the wife. I mean, this is ridiculous. Look at these kids. I mean, we ain't used to this. We're not used to this. This ain't right. The world coming to an end. Look at my lake. Damn, lake's froze. You know what? I'm front so y'all can see the front. Look at this. Use this. Downright crazy. What's up, man? Let's do this. Be quiet on that noise. Oh. Brand. Dime, please. Dime. Dime. The brand. Hey, I'm gonna look at that. It's in the freezer. Go away. Now, used to this. Y'all can see, we don't do something here. ATL, down right under snow. That Melanie, Qatar, Leela, one piece. The brand is down. The dime piece. Dime piece. This is downright ridiculous. Like I said, I had to get my survival kit. 2 cases of Bud Light, a bag of skins, and a bottle of Winking Hour wine. Shout out to Winking Hour. Sponsoring my next core DJ retreat in Orlando, Florida, May 7th through the 10th. I mean, look at this. Look at that, cars can't even get up the hill. And this little bit of snow. We ain't used to this. Can't even get up the hill. This is crazy. Damn. Slide down here. Anyway, that's enough of this shit. KD-handyman.com. Check out the site. Once again, February 12th, 2010. Being a blizzard. It's a blizzard for the South. ATL, Georgia. I got to get in. I ain't used to this. I leave this for them fools off. That's right, I had to throw that in there. Get that snow off my boots. That's right, I own boots. And I'm out.